You want cheese one more time?
Yeah.
Okay. So cheese.
Cheese.
And that's called video.
Video. Castle. What's that?
That's Aiden.
What's that?
You're probably seeing the kitchen. You're wearing a panda? Anna, what does a panda say? Aww. Anna, you want milk?
No.
No? Okay. You like honey water?
Where will go?
Where are we going?
I'm going now.
Hmm? Where are we going? Where are we going? Blueberries. How many blueberries?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 blueberries? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 5 more.
No more.
No more? Okay.
Only 5.
Hello?
Where go?
No more jelly. Anna, do you want Cheerios?
No. Where?
We're gonna have breakfast at school. I don't know why.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What's that?
No, Papa. That's a lion. What does a lion say?
War.
Can you say it louder?
War!
Scary!
Where's a monkey?
Monkey 없어. Are you ready to go to school?
No.
You were just checking?
Brown.
You don't want brown? What color?
A peanut.
You want green jacket? What color?
Red.
Red? Okay. Is this one okay?
No.
No? This is red.
That's a
This one?
That's a pink.
Oh, this is pink. You're right. Is this red?
Yeah.
Okay. Appa, bye-bye, alligator. Appa, bye-bye, alligator.
Bye, alligator.
가자. Wow, he's so handsome. Yeah, you gonna play with friends and be nice today? You can't be mean. You can't do push. No pushing. No screaming in their face, okay?
Let's go.
I know, let's go!
What's it on my tooth?
Okay, mommy's gonna hurt you. Peekaboo, peekaboo, peekaboo. Anna, can you show me happy face? Show me angry face. Show me sad face. Sad face. 다시. So sad. Happy face. Angry face. Good job. 아나 노래 못 틀어줄까?
Overdano.
Oh, McDonald? Alright. I don't even know what to say. It's been so long and it's so crazy how I was on YouTube for I don't know how long, to 15, like, I don't know, 6+ years. And I take a very long break and I just completely forgot the feel, and just kind of, I guess, kind of how to vlog. I promised myself, okay, like today I don't even know what I'm gonna film. I wanted to start vlogging again, but usually I would just have like stuff that I want to like film about, or it's like an exciting day for me to share, but it wasn't even like that. So I'm just like, you know what, I'm never gonna start at this point. So I'm like, let's just take the camera out. I took the camera out. I didn't even know, like, how do I turn this on? Like, how do I record? Is this like right? Is this like the correct setting? So it felt so crazy and I felt so lost and confused. We just came back from a trip to Cancun, and ever since then, I don't think I really cleaned the house. I don't remember the last time I mopped the house. All right, my battery died, so I think I should be okay. I think I have a few more minutes. So there's a lot, I think a lot happened within last year. The year that I kind of stopped vlogging or even post anything on Instagram. So I do want to kind of talk about it throughout not this video, just like throughout. And you guys know that, you know, Ame is no longer with us. And obviously that's something that, I think that's something that maybe talk about, maybe not, because I don't know, like I think I need to find a reason why I want to share it to the public, because I know that maybe if like me talking about it helps other people going through similar like feelings or just kind of emotions and all that with me, then I think I would talk about it. If not, I don't know if there's like really point on me like make kind of going public on that. Yep, he's still with me. I still live with him. That's what exactly Aiden does. So nasty. Yeah. Yep, we're still together. If you guys were wondering, we're stuck together through Aiden's glue. There's just so much to talk about. Another thing is that I have like a different, like a career approach. I wanted to touch upon that too, but there's so much. There's a lot happened within the year. I'm just about to head to Target just to, I don't know, pick up some lunch. I don't know, just do another little peaceful browsing, get my mind off of some stuff. But actually, I have some stuff to do. I totally forgot. But I have to watch my drama first, and then I think I have to finish the drink menu for the restaurant, and then I have to print that out, and then I think I'm gonna launch it either Monday or this coming Sunday. We'll see. If you guys live nearby, you guys should totally check it out. Travis and I, oh not Travis, that's his English name. Dong and I are usually there Monday, Tuesday, Friday, Saturday. Well, Dong's usually there every day, but for me, I'm there Monday, Tuesday, Friday, Saturday. So far, I've been saying like at least like once a week. I've been seeing some of my subscribers. It was kind of crazy. Like some of you guys still like come up to me and say hi, and which obviously like I'm more than grateful for that. So if you guys come by, just say hi. You know, let's be friends. So excited.
나 드레스도 챙겨왔는데. 오빠 가자.
그래.
우리 또 같은 춤이야.
내가 이따가 할까?
아.
갖다 붙이는 놈은 또 처음이네. 야, 신박하긴 하다.
Just finished. Oh man. I gotta clean this table. It's so dirty. I'm just finishing up the our drink menu. I'm trying to send it over to FedEx. Not last year, oh my gosh. No, last year I got this sake advisor certification, and then I really liked it. So I am now a sake sommelier. Isn't that so crazy? Like, I am not a drinker. I'm very lightweight. Like, I'm just not a drinker. You know, my body just doesn't handle alcohol very well. I was never interested in sake. Like, I would go to a restaurant, like my friends or like Tong would order the sake. I'm like, I don't get it. So that was just like my past. It's not like my parents loved sake or I have friends that love sake. It was none of that. If people around me would order sake, it's because like we're a Japanese restaurant, let's order sake. So that was like the most of it. But when Tong opened the restaurant and obviously we're like Japanese cuisine, we had to carry sake, right? A few months in, after we grand opened, I was sort of in charge of just updating. Oh my, that is so loud. Sort of in charge of updating the drinks and reorganizing them and all that. And I was just looking at sake and I'm like, I don't even know what these mean. Like, you know, junmai, and what does like honjojo mean, or, you know, like how is this one different from this one? So I kind of like started looking it up, and I ended up in this like rabbit hole, and I'm like, this is so interesting. Like, whatever I found on Google, I'm like, wow, this is so like this is just really entertaining and fun. So I kind of lightly brought up to Tong, like, hey, like, you know, it'd be cool if I could study sake a little bit, it'll be helpful. And then he's like, yeah, I'm sure there's like classes for it. And I looked it up, and they did. Because I wasn't still sure like how much like I would have enjoyed, I was just like, I wasn't even thinking about doing the whole sake sommelier. The moment we started the class, I'm just like, yeah, I am gonna push it to the sommelier. So I passed the advisor, and as soon as they had the next sommelier class available, I signed up. I was literally the first one to sign up. I went to New Jersey in June, took the test. No, I went in May. I took the test, and on my birthday, I got the result saying I passed. I think my average score was like 87, 85, which I'm pretty proud of. Like, I wasn't expecting the result to come out so fast because they said it'll take at least 3 months, because we take the exam in the States, but all of our written tests, multiple choice, whatever, gets sent to Japan and they grade it there, and then we get the results. So we're like, okay, at least 3 months. So I just really didn't think about it. And on my birthday, I get this email saying like I passed and all the scores. I'm like, this is not real. Like, what? Like, this is a scam? But who would scam me about this, right? So I was like, whoa, like I passed. It was like the greatest birthday present ever, right? But part of me, like, I was just like, maybe like it is a scam. Maybe like they like sent it wrong. Maybe like it wasn't me that passed, whatever, right? So I'm like, I'll believe it when I see it. So a few weeks later, I got my diploma, sake sommelier. I have it in the corner behind the plant. And yeah, I am a sake sommelier. I love sake. I love the art of it. I love the science behind it. Another reason why I wanted to do this whole vlogging again is because I want to share my sake love, my passion for sake with you guys. And you know how like when you go to like sushi restaurant and like omakase or whatever, I'm pretty sure there's like sake pairings and they have great list of sake. But I never appreciated it until I studied it, and I'm like, okay, now I'm like trying to analyze how like salmon nigiri goes with like junmai daginjo or whatever, right? Like after drinking and eating after knowing is just completely different experience for me. So I want to share that with you guys. Being at the restaurant, and I sort of became a bartender there, it kind of forced me to really look into other types of alcohol, like spirits and beer. It's so crazy. I am not a drinker, but I feel like I know so much more now. It's just kind of crazy. It makes so much sense. It's really fun. Why is my battery dying? That's weird. Okay, well, I didn't know what to do with my time. I did everything I wanted to do. I checked off everything. I put more decorations outside. I cleaned the house. I mopped the house.
Be careful. Okay.
Come here, right there.
치즈. 많이 보자.
네, 내 거야.
내 거야? 확실해?
자, 길로 왜 엄마?